The Second Anglo-Mysore War 1780 to 84 causes. The English did not fulfill the terms of Treaty of 1769 when Hyder's territories were attacked in 1771 by Marathas. Hyder did not get help from the British. British captured Mahi, a French settlement within Hyder's jurisdiction. It led to the formation of an alliance by Hyder with the Nizam and the Marathas against the English in 1779. So the English didn't fulfill the terms of the Treaty of Madras. When Hyder's territory is attacked by the Marathas, he didn't get help from the British people. This is the first reason. The second reason is British captured Mahi. So this is the Hyder's jurisdiction. And also it led to a formation of alliance by Hyder with the Nizam and the Marathas. So in the first Mysore war, they formed a triple alliance by Nizam, Marathas and English. But in the second Anglo-Mysore war, Hyder formed an alliance with Nizam and Marathas against English people. Cause. In 1781, the British General Sir Eyre Coote defeated Hyder Ali at Porto Novo. The Mysore forces suffered another defeat at Sholingar. Hyder Ali died of cancer during the course of the war. After the death of Hyder Ali in 1782, his son Tipu Sultan continued the war against the English. Tipu captured Brigadier Matthews, the supreme commander of the British forces, along with the soldiers in 1783. It was a serious loss to Tipu. So in the first Anglo-Mysore war, Hyder Ali got success, right? But in the second Anglo-Mysore war, Hyder Ali got defeated by the British General Sir Eyre Coote, and also he defeated in Sholingar. So Hyder Ali died of cancer during the course of the war. So after the death of Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan continued the war against English people. So Tipu captured Brigadier Matthews. So he is the supreme commander of the British forces. So it was a serious loss to Tipu later. Treaty of Mangalore 1784. On 7th March 1784, the Treaty of Mangalore was signed between the two parties. Both agreed to return the conquered territories and also the prisoners of war. Thus, Warren Hastings saved the newly established British dominion from the wrath of powerful enemies like Marathas and Hyder Ali. When the British lost their colonies in America and elsewhere, Warren Hastings lost nothing in India. Instead, he consolidated the British power in India. So to conclude, the Second Anglo-Mysore War, Treaty of Mangalore is signed between the two parties. They want to return the conquered territories and also they want to release the prisoners of war. So Warren Hastings saved the newly established British from the enemies like Marathas and Hyder. So British, they lost their colonies in America. But here Warren Hastings lost nothing in India. Instead of that, he consolidated the British power. He made the British power strong in India. The Third Anglo-Mysore War 1790 to 1792 causes. Tipu was trying to seek alliance of foreign powers against the English, and for that purpose he had sent his ambassadors to France and Turkey. Tipu attacked on Travancore in 1789, whose ruler was an ally of the British. The English, the Nizam and the Marathas entered into a triple alliance against Mysore. So Tipu Sultan trying to get support from the foreign powers against the English people. So for that he sent his ambassadors to France and Turkey. So Tipu attacked Travancore. The ruler of Travancore was an ally of British. And also in Third Anglo-Mysore War, the Nizam, Marathas and English people again formed a triple alliance against Mysore. Cause. Tipu fought alone, which continued for 2 years. It was fought in 3 phases. The attack of the English under General Meadows failed. Therefore, in December 1790, Cornwallis himself took the command of the army. Cornwallis captured all the hill forts which obstructed his advance towards Srirangapatnam and reached near its outer wall. Tipu felt desperate and opened negotiations with the English. Cornwallis agreed and the Treaty of Srirangapatnam was concluded in 1792. The Third Anglo-Mysore War has continued for 2 years. Tipu fought alone in the Third Anglo-Mysore War. It was fought in 3 phases. So the attack of English under General Meadows failed. So therefore what they are doing, Cornwallis taking himself to the command to the army. So he captured all the hill forts. So Cornwallis want to capture Srirangapatnam. So for that he is capturing all the hill forts and he reached near its outer wall. So Tipu came to negotiations with the English people. Negotiations அப்படினா ஒரு பேச்சுவார்த்தை. So Cornwallis agreed it and Treaty of Srirangapatnam was concluded the Third Anglo-Mysore War. Treaty of Srirangapatnam 1792. Tipu surrendered half of his kingdom to the Allies. Tipu agreed to pay 3.6 crore of rupees to the English as war indemnity and surrendered 2 of his sons as hostages to the English. The English acquired Malabar, Coorg, Dindigul and Baramagal. So Tipu has surrendered half of his kingdom to the Allies and also he want to pay 3.6 crore of rupees as a war indemnity. War indemnity means war expenditure. And also he surrendered 2 of his sons as hostages to the English people. Hostages means pinai kaidigal. So English acquired Malabar, Coorg, Dindigul and Baramagal. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Tipu Sultan did not forget the humiliating Treaty of Srirangapatnam imposed upon him by Cornwallis. Causes. Tipu sought alliance with foreign powers against the English and sent ambassadors to Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and the French. Tipu was in correspondence with Napoleon who invaded Egypt at that time. The French officers came to Srirangapatnam where they founded a Jacobin club and planted the tree of liberty. So Treaty of Srirangapatnam is imposed upon Tipu Sultan by Cornwallis, right? So he didn't forget that. So Tipu Sultan want to get support from foreign powers against the English people. So he sent his ambassadors to Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and the French. So and also he was in contact with the Napoleon who invaded Egypt. So Napoleon invaded Egypt and Tipu Sultan was in contact with the Napoleon. So French officers came to Srirangapatnam. So where they have created a Jacobin club and they planted the tree of liberty. Cause. Wellesley declared war against Tipu in 1799. The war was short and decisive. As planned, the Bombay army under General Stuart invaded Mysore from the west. The Madras army, which was led by the Governor General's brother, that is Arthur Wellesley, forced Tipu to retreat to his capital Srirangapatnam. On 4th May 1799, Srirangapatnam was captured. Tipu fought bravely and was killed finally. Thus ended the 4th Mysore War and the whole of Mysore lay prostrate before the British. So Wellesley declared a war against Tipu. So Wellesley, he is a British people, he declared a war against Tipu Sultan. So this was a short and decisive war. So as planned, General Stuart invaded Mysore from the west. And also the Madras army, which was headed by the general's brother, that is Wellesley's brother, Arthur Wellesley. He forced Tipu to retreat to his capital Srirangapatnam. And also Srirangapatnam is captured. Tipu fought bravely but finally he was killed. So the 4th Mysore War came to an end. At the end of the 4th Mysore War, the whole of Mysore lay prostrate before the British. Prostrate means adipanidal. Mysore after the war. The English occupied Canara, Wayanad, Coimbatore, Dharapuram and Srirangapatnam. Krishnaraja Wadayar of the former Hindu royal family was brought to the throne. Tipu's family was sent to the fort of Velur. So after the war, what's happening in Mysore is the English people occupied the places, that is Canara, Wayanad, Coimbatore, Dharapuram and Srirangapatnam is occupied by the English people. And Krishnaraja Wadayar, so he became the king of the throne and Tipu's family was sent to the fort of Velur.